Well, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation meeting that is traditionally held on the sidelines of the annual UNGA session has now been cancelled. This after Pakistan demanded that the Taliban be given a seat on the table. More in this report.
The global implication of the Taliban takeover was witnessed yet again. This as the meeting of the foreign ministers of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation has been called off. As per reports, the SAARC meeting slated to be held on 25th of September is now called off. The SAARC foreign ministers meeting, traditionally held on the sidelines of the annual UNGA session, sees the dialogue of ministers of India and Pakistan. Pakistan has confirmed that representation of Afghanistan in the meeting became a bone of contention, leading to the meeting getting scrapped. As per sources, Pakistan was also pushing on representation of Afghanistan by the Taliban. The other SAARC countries, however, did not agree to hold the meet with the Taliban on table. The Taliban has divided the SAARC, not only leading to the summit's cancellation but also bringing the significant discussions on South Asian progress to a standstill. But the question is, when will the SAARC summit happen and who will represent Afghanistan? Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Even as this plays out, what we are learning from our sources essentially is that Pakistan actually wanted to keep an empty chair and did not want anybody from the previous Ashraf Ghani regime to actually participate in this SAARC meeting. Now, just to tell our viewers that SAARC essentially is held on the sidelines of the UNGA each year. And it essentially is held where foreign ministers or deputy foreign ministers of each of these countries talk about how they see, this South Asian regional cooperation movement essentially going forward. Now, this meeting, of course, was cancelled late last night. Nepal is the country that currently holds the chair. The meeting was supposed to be held there, but they cancelled it at the last minute because Pakistan was extremely insistent on the fact that they wanted to make sure that there was an empty chair at the negotiating table, something that was not acceptable to any other member nation. And thereafter, with Pakistan's repeated insistence that the former regime that was, of course, led by Ashraf Ghani's representative would not be allowed to be at the meeting was thereafter cancelled. Now, according to sources also, if the meeting was held, a representative for Afghanistan's mission at the UN in New York could have attended it. Now, Pakistan is learned to have proposed that the Taliban representative should be a part of the meeting. The proposal was shot down by the remaining members of SAARC. Now, this was in view of the fact that the new Taliban regime has yet not been recognized by governments across the world. Let's go across to Crispino to give us more details on what we are learning from our sources. Crispino, the SAARC meeting was cancelled at the last minute because there was a lot of resistance to Pakistan's proposal. Okay, I don't think we've got Crispino on that yet, but we're going to try and get him back in just a bit. But as I was pointing out that one of the basic concerns that India as well as the other SAARC member nations have had is that they will not allow the Taliban, which is yet to gain legitimacy from any government in the world, to be part of global forums. Now, we have also learned in the past few minutes that the UN also had, the UN said that the Taliban wanted to send a current representative of its government that it has formed in Afghanistan to attend the UNGA. Let's go back to Crispino now. Crispino, give us more details of what you are learning about Pakistan's insistence on having a member of the Taliban regime at the SAARC.
Well, what we're learning right now that Pakistan wanted Taliban to be part of the dialogue. They wanted Taliban government to be part of the SAARC meeting. But at this point of time, the member states of the SAARC are not too happy. They said that they will not allow Taliban to be part of SAARC because of which they decided that the SAARC meeting would not happen. Pakistan is increasingly being sidelined at the world stage. Now, after the United States pulled up Pakistan for their involvement in the Afghanistan narrative and Taliban being increasingly put out, Pakistan right now is feeling a little taken aback at this point of time because they've been increasingly alienated. Now, we also had seen how the European Union had slammed Pakistan. Over to you, Nupur.
All right, Crispino bringing us those details on that. Thank you very much. So that's the latest that we are getting at this point in time.